Hey folks, it's Jason with Broke as Hell Garage. It's been a few days since we made a video. Reed and I made one yesterday, got it posted today on the 3-speed transmission for the Ford van. Let me turn the camera around here. This old cutaway van has become a catch-all. Got a bunch of junk sitting on it. It's under this old cedar tree. Got a 300 6-cylinder that we're going to try to stab in here one day. This thing's pretty rough looking, but we're going to clean it up, try to get it back on the road. The video today is going to be a short. I'm not going to take very long. I've got a V8 that we're going to put in the smart car. Reed, he had to go on home, so Pop's left to it to do it himself. So we're going to put a V8. I don't know if I'm going to put the 350 Chevy out of this 40 rat rod, but we're going to put a V8 in that smart car. So if you stay with me, I'm going to try to figure out which engine I'm going to put in it and get it installed in the smart car, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, just bear with me. All right, folks, after a lot of engineering, after a lot of work, we got the V8 put in the smart car. Had to put a lot heavier suspension under the rear end. You know, this is a rear engine car. Had to do a lot of engineering, figure out how to get that V8 in there. I'm about to give out. It's been a long day already. We got the transmission painted up, got the video made of it for the Ford cutaway van that I showed you. It's just an old transmission. It's cleaned up a little bit. It's not anything special. For this engine right here that we got on the hoist suspended here, 300 6-cylinder. But I want to go ahead and show you what this V8 looks like in this smart car. Let me turn the camera around here. Hang on just a moment. All right, so we're going to open this rear hatch here. I'm going to show you what this V8 looks like in the back of this smart car. Had to squeeze it in here now. It was rough getting this V8 in this smart car. And I'm not sure what the fuel mileage is going to be, but I think it's going to be all right. All right, here's the V8. Hey, like that V8 in there, folks. That's a V8 in a smart car. All right, just a little joking today. Trying to make a little humor, make something funny. All right, like and subscribe. Broke as Hell Garage. We couldn't afford a real V8, so we just had to buy that, put that in there. All right, Broke as Hell Garage. Like and subscribe.